Next up, Unarmed and Dangerous for Black Mouse. Infil solo without any weapons and Exfil in the same deployment without picking any up. All we need to do here is a simple run through. So, weapons, make sure you have your loadout empty and your backpack empty too. Then we'll head into Al-Mazrah and just go for it. All we need to do here is pretty much a straight run through. Wherever you spawn in, run straight to the extract, preferably with a vehicle, and get out of there. There we go. So all we have to do here is just run straight through. There's no boat nearby, which is annoying, but anyways, we'll just go for it. So already the first half is pretty much done. Infil solo without any weapons. All we need to do now is exfil without picking any up. There we go. Here's the exfil. Let's get out of here. Hopefully there's no bots nearby. Activate and let's hide in here. As for picking stuff up, I don't think anything will count towards this, but I think I'll just refrain from it. This will literally just be a pure run through. I do hear a bot. Maybe I can hide out here. Here comes the chopper. There's a grenade, and let's get the heck out of here. Not the friend list of bots, but there we go. Sweet. Anyways, that's how to do Unarmed and Dangerous for Black Mouse Tier 3. It's super simple to do, though obviously best done solo, so there's no worries about picking up weapons or going in with any. I'm not even sure if this would be possible as a team. Maybe if your teammates bring in a weapon, it'll count against you and, well, you can't finish it. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.